Welcome back to NDTV 24/7. We asked you who was Mumbai Indians' captain when they won the Champions League T20 before the break, and the correct answer to that is a certain Turbinator, Harbhajan Singh. Viral Dave from London, congratulations, you got our last answer correct. Now looks like the law of averages seems to be catching up with the cash-rich DLF IPL, and it seems to have put them on the back foot even before a single ball has been bowled, with the advertisers shying away this time around, which begs us to ask the question, is there a buzz around the fifth season of the IPL?
IPL hai, boss.
IPL, yes. But is it still the boss when it comes to entertainment? After all, the build-up to this year's IPL still hasn't attracted the sponsors yet. Reports suggest 40% of the ad slots with the host broadcasters are still unsold. 10-second ad rates have dropped by 3 lakhs, which many believe is due to the dip in TV ratings last season.
For the first 10 games will set the tone. If the consumer feels he's going to get his money's worth, he'll hit the stadium. If he doesn't get it, he won't. It's entertainment. There is no emotion, there is no loyalties.
Though the players are more optimistic, with MS Dhoni predicting high TV ratings for the coming season. Bollywood, which usually keeps away from releasing films during the IPL, has plans of releasing close to 22 films during the next 2 months. Clear indications that they don't feel threatened by the billion-dollar league anymore.
Totally blank to IPL right now. Too much cricket happening, man.
It's the 5th time, so everyone's bored of it.
And even though the season opener between Chennai and Mumbai is sold out, the southern city has worn a barren look as compared to a sea of yellow last time.
Chennai whistle etiquette, which means the fans in Chennai haven't still blown the whistle. IPL fever is yet to grip the city of Super Kings. But after a fantastic opening ceremony, the organisers are hoping that fans will turn up in the stadiums over the next 2 months.
So while the IPL might have got some big performers off the field, the key to its success will lie with how the players perform on the pitch. With Alexander Edwin and Rika Roy in Chennai, in New Delhi, Aruna Bose for NDTV.
Honestly speaking, that fever hasn't really gripped Chennai, courtesy that loss to the Mumbai Indians tonight. Now the buzz might be